There are many things you buy that end up in a drawer never to be seen again. Not this charging station. It's a perfect blend of form and function. Quality meets elegance, and it looks good on a side table or desk. Delivering a steady 15-watt MagSafe compatible charge, it does its job without complaint. Personally, I find cords messy and inconvenient, and it seems like I'm always on the hunt for one. This charging station stays put and waits patiently for my power-hungry devices each night. As soon as the phone is clamped on securely, it transforms into a nightstand clock. But wait, that's not all. It also acts as a nightlight. Simply tap on the side for 2 different light levels. The mount for the phone pivots to my optimal viewing angle, and I appreciate how easy it is to remove. I can charge my phone, my AirPods, and if I had one, an Apple Watch, all at once. I'm really enjoying using it, and I'd venture to say it's a genuine quality of life upgrade. I mean, what's not to love? Highly recommended.